Let's start here on the daily chart because it's always important to understand the context around ICP. I mean, this is a 5-wave move down. I'm not clearly bullish on this chart. Find it rather a bearish chart, especially with that all-time, long-term downtrend. But then obviously we have a 5-wave move up from that September 2023 low, which adds some weight at least to a, let's say, short-term bullish scenario. So we said, okay, maybe the move down is 5 waves in an A wave. Because it's 5 waves up, it can't really be the B wave, or it shouldn't be at least. Sometimes altcoin structures are obviously giving us also false signals. They are not the most reliable structures. Then we had a 3-wave move down, so that kind of again adds weight towards a potentially bullish structure, at least an ABC that's unfolding there, yeah, with a 3-wave move down. And then if we take a look here, you can actually see that the price has not found any support. Okay, so we have a support area here between 356 and 435. Standard support for any B-wave pullback. There were 2 scenarios we were tracking over the last few weeks and months. A bullish one, however, super speculative because the move up from the April low was only in 3 waves. So that does not give us a breakout structure. Also, price remained constrained in this range. So I will remove the yellow count now because we actually formed the lower low. The other count was a triangle pattern, like a wave 4. Like this probably, a triangle in a wave 4 with another low to come. Good news about a triangle is when we get that and we get that one more low, it could actually be the last low. But there is no low until we get a 5-wave move up. So at the moment, it appears likely that the market could be on its way to 356, the 88.7 retracement. Doesn't have to be. It's already... it's not even a lower low. I mean, it would be best for this chart just to make that lower low now below the April low. It's kind of a double bottom structure now, which isn't great. But if it now goes a little lower, that could be our 5th wave down. I mean, if it again goes up from here, surely the B wave might have bottomed, but a double bottom structure is never a very reliable bottoming structure. So it would be ideal if we could get maybe a little lower, then complete that 5th wave, and then the price has a chance to make a recovery in 5 waves. But without a 5-wave move up, there is no sign of a low. What it needs to do at this point, honestly, yeah, we just need, at a very minimum, a break above that $6.12 level here, which is the swing low, the end of the triangle, the swing high here from the 14th of August. Don't think there's really a reliable microstructure there. It would have to be, this is one way how this could be tracked as an ABC structure, because it's a diagonal structure to the downside. And then it might take us to 356. That's just the next support level. So yeah, once we break, or if we break below the April low, 356 is next support, but not a bullish chart until we actually get finally a 1-2 setup to the upside.